everybody, Clay here, and let's continue Final Fantasy VII Original. Let's go. Yeah. This way. Inner Soldier. Beep. What the hell's going on? A trap. A trap. President Shinra. Why is the president here? Aren't even started waiting yet. But I made an arrangement for a playmate for you all. What's that noise? The hell is that? Meet the airbuster, the techno soldier or weapon. Fill up apartment, the apartment, parade him. I'm sure that data will extracted from your dead body will be of great use to you in a future experiment. Techno soldier? Now then, if you excuse me. Wait, President. Yo, Club, we gotta do something about him. Up, Cloud. This is from the soldier. No way, I'm just a machine. I don't care what is it. You gotta bust him and up. It's gonna blow. Let's go, Tifa. Barrett, can you do something? Not a damn thing. Well, please don't die. Can die. There's still much I want to tell you. I know, Tifa. Hey, you gonna be alright? Be strong. I don't know if I can hold on. Beep! Can you hold on much longer? Barrett, hurry! Don't go carrying like a woman. There ain't nothing I can do for you. You gotta do it on your own. Barrett! Okay, hold on. Hold on. You're alright? You're alright? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Yeah. Back then I only got the scrap knee. What do you mean by back then? What about now? Can you get up? Can you get up? What do you mean by back then? What about now? What about now? Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself now. I'll try. I'll try. Oh, it moved. Oh, it moved. How about that? How about that? Take it slow now. Little by little. Little by little. Hello? 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 I know. I know. Hey, who are you? Hey, who are you? Hello? 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 Are you okay? Are you okay? This is a church in the Sector 5 slum. You just fell from above. You really give me a scare. I came crushing down. The roof in the roof in the flower bed, and must have been broken. Your fall. You're lucky. Flower bed? Is this yours? Sorry about that. That's alright. The flowers here are quite resulted because this is a scarred place. They say grass and flowers won't grow in the mint here. But for some reason they have no trouble blooming here. I love it here. So, we meet again. Don't you remember me? Yeah, I remember. Never saw you before. Yeah, I remember. You were selling flour? You were slum drunk? That was pretty funny. You were selling flowers. Oh, I'm so happy. I didn't buy any flour from me, though. Oh, I forgot about the flour. Oh. Well, that's okay. Hey, do you have any Madeira? Yes, some. Well, nowadays you can find Metro anywhere. But mine is special. It's a good for absolutely nothing. Good for nothing. You just don't know how to use it. No, I do. Just doesn't do anything. I feel safe just having it. It was my mother's. Hey, I feel like talking. Do you feel up to it? After all, here we are meeting again. Don't mind. No, nothing to talk about it. I don't mind. Wait here, I got to check my flowers in just be a minute. It's a little longer. It's a little longer. Oh. Oh. Now that's a method at... We don't know each other's names, do we? My name is... Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. I'm Aerith, the flower girl. Nice to meet you. The name is Cloud. Me? I do a little bit of everything. Oh, a jack of all trades. Wait, jack of all trades. Yeah, I'll do whatever need. What's so funny? What are you laughing at? Alright, just... But don't let it get to you. Don't mind me. Oh well. Hey Cloud, have you ever been a bodyguard? You can't do anything, right? Yeah, that's right. Then get me out of here. Take me home. Okay, but it's cost you. Okay, then let's see. How about if I go out with you once? Don't know who are you, but you don't know me. I know you. Oh yeah, I know you. That uniform. Hey, this one's a little weird. Cloud, shut up, General Spy. Rono, when him taking out. I haven't decided yet. Don't fight here, you ruin the flowers. The exit is back there. There were Mako eyes. Yeah, Yeah, alright. Come on, get to work. Oh. And don't step on the flower. You already stepped on it. You just stepped on them yourself. They ruined. You're gonna catch a holy hell. There they are. Over there. Club, that one. I know, looks like they aren't going to let us go. What should we do? Well, we can't let them catch us, can we? There's only one thing left to do. Aerith, this way. Alright. I'll hold them off. Alright, make sure they don't get through. Agent is getting away. Attack. Aerith. I think we're killing them. They never should fight us. You think? Cloud, help. Damn. What's that? Aerith. Run! Oh, alright. Here's a barrel if you can just push it over. Ah. Club, help! Fight, run, hold on a minute. This way. One. There we go. Haha, they're looking for me again. You mean it's not the first time they've been after you? No. They were truck. Hmm? The trucks are the Shinra organizations they got for a possible and that is for the soldier. This vile that I thought they were kidnapped someone. They're also involved in a lot of other dirty stuff on this the side. Murder, spying, murder. You know, they look like it. Why? But why they are after you? They must be the reason, right? No, not really. I think they believe they have what it takes to be a soldier. Maybe you do. You want to join? I don't know, but I don't want to get caught by those people. Then let's go. Wait, I said. Slow down. Don't leave me. Honey, I thought you were cut out to be a soldier. Oh, you're terrible. Hey, Cloud, where are you? Ever a soldier? I used to be. How did you guess? Your eyes, they have a strange glow. That's the sign of those who have been infused with a mark of soldier. But how do you know about that? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Right, nothing. Come on, let's go, bodyguard. Phew, finally, I made it off. Now what? My house over here. Hurry up before they come. That guy in the pipe is a weird one. No matter what he asked him, he only answered, This guy is sick. He is out nearby and someone must be have helped him here. Oh, this one, won't you help him? Listen, I'm no dolphin. No, I guess not. Hey, that man has a tattoo. I think he's number 2. Let me see. I don't care if the scrap metal, if Metro, if we can't do anything here in the slum. Got a lot of good Metro here, like the you look at over. I'll take the second one. What are you doing? If I'm walking around looking at the ground. If you found a lot of things people drop when you look down, you never find them. When you're looking up, right? We only trade items for skill. Here. Oops. This would be enough. Oh, sorry. Taking care of yourself, law the slum, but you do that. First you need a weapon. I'll take this one. Oh, wait. Okay, there's nothing there. Oh, wait. I'm home, Mom. I'm home, Mom. This is Cloud, my bodyguard. Bodyguard? You were falling again? Are you alright? You're not hurt, are you? I'm alright. I have Cloud with me. Thank you, Cloud. So what are you going to do now? It's Sector 7, far from here. I want to go to Tifa's bar. If Tifa's a girl. Yeah. A girlfriend? Girlfriend? No way. Yeah, that's right. You don't have to get that upset. Well, that's nice. Let's see. Sector 7 and I will show you the way. You gotta be kidding. Why do you want to put yourself in danger again? I'm used to it. Used to it. Well, I don't know. Getting help from a girl. A girl? What do you mean by that? You expect me just sit by quietly and after hearing you say something like that? Mom, I'm taking Cloud to Sector 7. I'll be back in a while. But dear, I give up. I never listen once you made up your mind. But if you must go, why don't go tomorrow? Then it's getting late now. Yeah, you're right, Mom. Aerith, please go back. Please go make up the bed. That glow in your eyes. You're from the soldier, right? Yeah, I used to be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to say this, but could you please leave here tonight without telling Aerith? You need to go through Sector 6 to get Sector 7. Sector 6 a little dangerous, so you better get some rest tonight. Cloud. Good night. Oh man. I'm pretty tired. I haven't slept in the bed like this for a long time. Oh yeah. Ever since then. My, how you grown. I bet the girls never leave you alone. Not really. I'm worried about you. There's a lot of inhabitants in your city. I feel a lot better if you just settle down with a nice girlfriend. I'm alright. You should have an older girlfriend once that take care of you. I think that would be the best for you. I'm not interesting. I must fall and sleep. Sector 7 past Sector 6. I should be all right by myself. Hold on, I need to take that. Just need to quite slowly. Cloud, I thought the trunks came back. Get some rest. And get caught this time. Oh, I almost forgot. Ether. And a cover net tray. Protect the allies when they attack. You're up bright and early. I couldn't ask you to go. I knew it would be dangerous. How you got there? Are you done? You have to go through the slum into Sector 6 to get to the seventh heaven. I'll take you there. Come on. This one we have in bottom. There you go. nothing there. Only I need ammo. There we go. The gate to Sector 7 in there. Things I guess this is goodbye. You gonna be alright? Going home? Oh no, whatever we do. Isn't that what do you want me to say? Take her home? Go to the Sector 7. Sector 7. Could do that, but wouldn't I be in your way? What do you mean in your way? Nothing. Can we take a break? Can't believe it's still here. Well, over here. What rank were you? Rank? You know, in a soldier. Oh, I was first class? That's the same as him. The same as who? My first boyfriend. Where are you? Seriously. No, but I liked him for a while. I probably knew him. What was his name? It doesn't really matter. Huh? Hey, back there. Tifa? That girl in the cart was Tifa. Where was she going? Where she was going? She looked kinda odd. Wait. I'll go on alone. You'll go home. There's anything else in the ground? No, not there. This place is scary in a lot of ways, absolutely for a girl. So we got to find Tifa's fast. There's a save file. Okay, we'll end here at Final Fantasy VII Original. We'll continue on the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!